Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you could fix the error or the problem of a camera not working on Windows 10. So you might have just upgraded to Windows 10 or you have performed a format and installation or even an update and you realize that the camera is not working anymore. If this is the case, you want to first check that on your keyboard the button which turns on and off the camera is disabled or enabled. So I will show you this through the on-screen keyboard. So in most computers on the physical keyboard you have this button called FN, and once you press it you will get those F1, F2, F3 on your keyboard, and if you check on them there is one of them with the sign of a camera with a slash. So you want to make sure that the camera is not disabled from there. So just click to see if it will enable or disable the camera. If it's disabled, then click again to enable it and check if the camera is working. In some computers there is a physical buttons on the side also. You want to check that it's allowing the camera to work. If none of this option is valid for you, or if everything from the buttons is fine for you, then we want to go to the next thing and check that in your settings you are allowing the camera to work with that specific application. For example, if you want to use your camera through a Skype call, you want to make sure that the camera or the applications are allowed to access camera, and you want also to make sure that the camera is allowed to work and the Skype is allowed to access it. How to do that? You just go to the search tab and you type settings in Windows 10. You open your settings, you go to privacy, and in privacy on the left side panel you click on camera. You make sure that allow applications to access camera is turned on. You allow also that the camera is on, and also that Skype or that specific application is allowed to access the camera and it's also on. Also you might consider to allow desktop application to access your camera if your application is not appearing on this list of applications. If after all of this your camera is still not working and you're still getting those errors 0XC00D36D5, then you want to consider to check if your camera drivers are installed properly. To do that, go to the search tab and type device manager. This little application will appear, just click on it. The application will load in few seconds, and you might want to check on cameras. For some people they don't have cameras, but they have imaging device name, or it will appear with something with yellow triangle saying that the drivers are not installed. So what you want to consider, you connect to the internet, to your home internet, and you make sure that you're connected. And for example, if the drivers are not installed, just click on this little button and Windows 10 will look online for the drivers and try to install them. If Windows doesn't manage, you might consider to go to Google Chrome or whatever browser you are using. You type the brand of your computer, the series of your laptop, and camera drivers download. For example, like this. And here we have integrated camera driver for Windows 10 for that specific brand of computer, and this is the official website support.thecompany.com. So we can click on it and we can click to download the driver manually, and then you will have just to perform an installation of the driver manually. If you cannot find the drivers for Windows 10 but you find it only for Windows 7 or Windows 8, you can still download that driver and click to run in troubleshooting or in troubleshoot compatibility mode, and Windows will make it compatible even though it's for Windows 7 or Windows 8. If after all of this it didn't work, or if you have the drivers already installed but the camera is still not working, you want just to click on the camera, select update driver, search automatically for updated drivers and click on it. Once done, Windows will download the most updated drivers and install them if they are available. If not, Windows will tell you that this is the most updated drivers for this camera and this computer. So here the best drivers for your device are already installed. That's what Windows is saying. So I will just close. If after all of these solutions it's still not working for you, you might want to consider to contact the company who made your computer to ask them their advice or to ask them for help, or you might Google it on the forums of that specific brand of computer to see what is the additional fix for it. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always leave us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us, you can always press like and share, and the most important, do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.